up with it. This your girl, May Dolo, finna hit y'all with another freestyle today. But stop what you're doing right now and go follow your girl on Instagram at the Black Hair Diva right now. 225 in the building, best believe I represent from my city. Yeah. What it do? I was born and raised in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Then seen it all when the lights cut off for using candles. No hairdo, they thug it out with blue bandanas. Some kids couldn't afford shoes, so the school they wearing sandals. My mama taught me to survive and to get my green. Cause ain't no man gonna do for me what I'ma do for me. Every night drop to my knees like Jesus at my feet. Keep me safe, Lord, but just in case I clutch my heat. I don't trust a lot of people cause they ratatouille. And all these niggas love is red bones with big booties. And every female love rockin' Tyson wearing doobie. All we ever talk about is dumb and going stupid. My whole life I was quiet, really into music. Today a new day, so a new grind, yeah, I'm gon' shine. To all you dog ass niggas that be on your school, but ain't no getting over. Got a lot of street smart, I'm gon' use it. I'm a real street chick. The struggle that I done made it through the rain and the pain, especially all you haters. Bang, bang, it's official, I'm a survivor in my city. It's official, I'm a survivor in my city. I'm a real street chick. The struggle, but I done made it through the rain and the pain, especially all you haters. Bang, bang, it's official, I'm a survivor in my city. It's official, I'm a survivor in my city. You know, 225 in the building. I represent. Don't forget, follow your girl on Instagram at the Black Hair Diva. You know.